Hello viewers, and welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have 5 to the power of root a plus 5 to the power of root a to be equal to 80 to the power of root a. So to resolve this, let's factor out this 5 to the power of root a to have 5 root a times 1 plus 1, which is equal to 80 to the power of root a. So from here we have 5 to the power of root a times 2 to be equal to 80 to the power of root a. Let's divide both sides by 5 to the power of root a to have 5 to the power of root a times 2 over 5 to the power of root a, which is equal to 80 to the power of root a over 5 to the power of root a. This will cancel this. We have 2 left to be equal to our 80 can be splitted to be 16 times 5 to the power of root a, all over 5 to the power of root a. So this gives us 2 to be equal to 16 to the power of root a times 5 to the power of root a, all over 5 to the power of root a. So we have 2 to be equal to this. To cancel this, we are left with 16 to the power of root a. So from here we have 2 to be equal to 16 in index form can be written as 2 to the power of 4 further raised to the power of root a. So resolving this, we have 2 to be equal to 2 times, let's multiply the powers. Multiplying the powers, we have 4 root a. From here, the power of 2 here is 1. So we now have the same basis. We can equate the powers to have 1 to be equal to 4 root a. So let's divide both sides by 4. We have 1 over 4 to be equal to 4 over 4. So root a is equal to 1 over 4. So we can square both sides to get our a. We have root a all squared to be equal to 1 over 4 all to the power of 2. So this cancel out this. We have that our a is equal to 1 over 16. So our a is equal to 1 over 16. Let's verify. Verifying when a is equal to 1 over 16, we have 5 to the power of 1 over 16 plus 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 to be equal to 80 to the power of root 1 over 16. So from here we'll factor out our 5. Factoring out the 5, we have 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 to have 1 plus 1, which is equal to, remember our 80 is 16 times 5 further raised to the power of root 1 over 16. So from here we have 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 times 2, which is equal to 16 to the power of root 1 over 16 times 5 to the power of root 1 over 16. So let's divide both sides by 5 to the power of root 1 over 16. We have 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 times 2 over 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 equal to 16 to the power of root 1 over 16 times 5 to the power of root 1 over 16 all over 5 to the power of root 1 over 16. So this will cancel this. This cancel this. We have 2. We have this and this. We are left with 2 to be equal to, and we have this. We are left with 16 to be equal to root 1 over 16. So this will give us 2 to be equal to 2 to the power of 4 further raised to the power of root 1 over 16. Resolving this, we have 2 to be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 16 is 4. This will cancel out this. We have 2 to be equal to 2 to the power of 4 over 4. So we have that 2 is equal to 2. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. So our value for A is 1 over 16. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.